Come here. Get out the mail in front of the Lowe's. Come here, bud. Come here. Mail's rolling. Towards Chick-fil-A.
On June 7th, 2021, Gloucester Township Dispatch received a call about a shoplifting incident at a local store. Officers were sent to the scene immediately. When police arrived, they saw the suspect calmly walking away from the store, acting as if nothing had happened. One officer recognized him right away. The officer pulled his patrol car next to the suspect and quickly stepped out to stop him. As the officer tried to grab the suspect, he lost his balance and fell to the ground. This gave the suspect a brief chance to run. However, the officer managed to grab the stolen bag from him before he got too far.
Stop! Give me your hand. Give me your other hand, Rob. Rob, give me your other hand. Got it. Rob, chill. Stop, Rob. Rob, chill. Stop, Rob. Ready? Here. Got him. 105 right here. We're staying with one person. Rock your hand, man. Put your hand. Put this hand behind you, alright?
You lost prevention? Do you mind hanging out? You seen him chasing him?
Nah, did they tackle you up there?
Not me.
They tackled one of your officers up there. Really, Rob? What's wrong with you, dude? Spray legs, bud. Come on, man. You know the game by now, right? Hold on a minute. How many pairs of pants you got on? Rob, stop. I'm not doing nothing. Stop moving. Just sit there and relax. How many pairs of pants you got on, bud? How many pairs of pants you got? Two. Stop.
I'm not moving.
Stop moving. Just lean right here and don't move, okay? You can move. Affirmative. Still. Stop. I got IDs in it.
The suspect then ran toward the road. Two officers chased him and caught up just as he was trying to cross the street. They tackled him to the ground and placed him in handcuffs. A nearby witness believed the suspect had pushed one of the officers, so he ran after him as well to assist police.
Have a seat. Meet me back over at Target?
Yeah, I'm gonna grab this guy's stuff.
Yeah.
Get it already?
No, can you grab his info? I'll meet you at Target.
One second, I'm gonna pull in this car, alright? Yeah, we're just trying to get the traffic.
Just, he'll meet you in there, bud, alright? Thank you.
Cars.
We're good there. Yeah. Well, I gotta run today, man. It's hot. It's hot today. What are you running for? You ran from me.
You got your ID on you so I can think of that nice and easy? So
I don't actually have an ID on me.
Don't worry about it. What's your first name, man?
Chris. I didn't see anything.
All right.
I just seen him tackle the officer.
Okay.
And to be honest with you, with everything that's going on in this world, that pissed me off royally. So I didn't want to see it. Yeah, I didn't want to see him get away with it.
All right.
Because you guys are out here to protect us, and everybody's giving you all, and it's wrong.
We appreciate that.
It's wrong. I was coming out, right? And it was about halfway through the parking lot. Yeah.
You're coming out of the Lowe's?
Yeah. And then I heard, I seen the police officer light his lights up, and then I heard stop, and then he took off after the guy, and the guy grabbed the hold of him and threw him down on the ground.
After putting him in the police car, one of the officers stays there and interrogates the witness who was running after him. He asked the man why he was running after him. Is he okay? Or the thief had also stolen something from him.
And then that's whenever he didn't see me, so I tried to catch him, but man, that dude was fast. And I ran, I was hoping that he would think that I was maybe undercover or something, you know what I mean? So I was yelling, stop, get on the ground, get on the ground. And I just ran him out of juice, man. When he got about right here, he couldn't hardly run anymore. Just go home to your families and stuff.
Appreciate it, all right? Thank you.
Something. Got stuff. Yeah.
We got all those in it.
Is that your stuff?
Yeah.
Here, Rich, you can just dump it on my cart right now. I gotta grab pictures and stuff of it real quick, alright? Fucking, what do you think?
He had
conceal
this stuff. So.
the beat stuff.
Yeah, that's his own personal bag.
Okay, so he just dumped it all in here. Is this your bag too? Yeah. We're good, Sarge. You're good, Jerry.
It has to be in that new system. Benchmark system. I can just do it on someone's computer then. When it does settle, just have it on stuff. It has to be in that benchmark.
It's a good tackle, I did. It's a good tackle. I don't think so. So, no, can you get me a price for all that stuff?
Yeah.
Thanks. No,
We just. What do we got going on? Just.
he picked up the bag, concealed all the stuff that's on the hood. He made it to like Lowe's when I was pulling up. I went to stop. I literally pulled right in front of him at Lowe's. I got out. I said, "Yo, come here," and then.
But other than that, situation's under control.
Yeah.
So you have obstruction resisting by flight.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, one of the officers took the shoplifter to the store from where he had stolen the things. The officer took all the material out of the bag and assembled it on the car's bonnet to take the pictures for record and handed back all the things to the store worker. The bag contains things worth more than $500.
I'll be right out with it.
Yeah, thanks.
Nobody's hurt, everybody's good.
Yeah, no. Cause I grabbed his backpack over there, and when I grabbed it, he just like pulled my whole weight, and I fell, and then I got back up. I grabbed their stuff, and I just got in my car and went after him.
Okay.
Some guy chased him across the parking lot. Some random guy who saw me chasing him. You got his info, right?
Yeah, how many people? Just you two are fine here?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna go back out to this other thing on Pine Street. I might be able to do it.
Yeah, you're good, Sarge. I'm guessing these aren't his either. These aren't yours, right? These two?
Those aren't.
They're yours too?
Yeah.
Here you go. Can you add them to that?
Yeah.
Yo,
What's up, bro? Alright, give me a second. What's wrong with them? They're too tight, my man?
yeah, they put an arm on
You gonna be cool? Alright, lean up for me. I'll roll the window down for you too, alright, bud? You want an ambulance or anything?
Yeah.
For what? The cuts? I'll get them to meet us at the police station, okay? So they can clean you up. Alright, my man. Can you turn your body this way for me? There you go. I got it. Hold on, relax, but I got you.
Look him in the front, man.
Yeah, I can't put them in the front.
They're too tight.
They're not tight.
They is. I can't move my arm.
Well, here, we'll flip this one around, alright? Don't do nothing stupid, alright? Here, take your hand up. Turn that way. Turn that way. I'll clean your hand up, don't worry. Turn this way for me. Here, now give me your hand back. Straight back.
My arm might be broke, man.
It's not broken.
It's hard to move.
Okay, turn it back. Dude, you can put it behind your back, Rob.
Hold on, I can't, man. Hold
Rob,
on.
you can
My hurting, man.
I know. Because you got cuts and stuff and it's hot.
Alright,
Put your arms behind your back.
listen. You can put it in the front.
I
don't
cannot.
go nowhere.
Listen to me. I cannot put them in the front. So turn around. And I'll put them in the
I'm
back.
gonna work with you, man. It's hot as
I know it's hot as you ran. We wouldn't be doing this.
I'm telling. Hold on. Let go of that for me.
I'm not letting go of anything. You're out of your mind.
I'm not. I don't, my man. It's hard for me to move my arm.
No.
It is.
Put your arm down.
I'm not bull.
To me. Put your arm down.
Can you look at my wrist?
Your wrist is fine. I can see it.
It's not. It's swollen. Look.
It's not that swollen.
It is.
Look.
Look at my vein.
Okay, I told you. I'll take care of it. When we get to the police station, I will get an ambulance to use there.
Can you look at my other arm?
I can see your other arm. It looks fine. It looks just like that one.
Hold on, man. It's hot as
5, can you come back out here for a minute?
I got no air, man.
I know. I'm going to roll the window down. But you need to turn around.
I'm gonna turn around. Hold up, man. You gotta let me breathe. You didn't let me breathe.
You shouldn't have ran, and then we wouldn't have this problem.
You got some water?
No, I don't have water I can give you. I can give you water when we get to the police station. I promise you.
Man.
I know. I promise I will give you water when we get to the police station, alright? Can you roll this window down for me? Alright, now you gotta put your arm behind me.
Okay, give me 1 minute, my man. I'm gonna stuff for a minute. I'm not trying no funny shit.
Yeah.
This is stuff.
Just hang out here for a minute.
Stuff for a minute.
That's fine. He had to we have to readjust his one cuff here. Alright.
Hold on, my man. I can't breathe. You said that because you breathe. You out in the air.
Yeah, in the air.
Can't breathe.
The door's open.
Water, man.
I can't give you water.
You could tell me to give me a water.
No, I can't. They're not going to.
I can't breathe. That's part of your job, man. I
Listen
can't
to me.
breathe.
You can breathe.
No, I can't.
What's wrong?
I'm telling you, I can't breathe, and you're not listening.
I am listening.
No, you're not. I can't breathe.
Why can't you breathe?
Because it's too hot.
Yes, it's hot. I understand that. I'm hot too.
Okay, but you don't know if I can breathe or not. You're not in my body. I can't breathe. I'm telling you, I can't breathe.
What kind of
It's
respiratory
serious.
difficulty are you having?
I can't breathe.
All right, well then put your hand behind your back. I'll get you an ambulance. Turn around.
Okay.
Turn around.
Okay.
Go that way. Turn your whole body that way. Robert, look to your left. Look to your left, bud. Turn your whole arm.
Okay,
Like, I'm trying to.
man. Relax. I'm not doing nothing to hurt you, man.
I'm trying to help
I'm in
you.
pain.
I know, and I'm
I
trying to help
can't
you.
breathe. That's part of your job.
It is, and
Okay. I need an ambulance. I can't breathe.
Okay, I'll get you one.
I can't breathe, man.
Okay, I got you an ambulance.
The officer wants to investigate the thief, so he opens the car door so he can speak to him. But the man doesn't cooperate with the police as he starts acting false, and he says he can't breathe properly. His arm doesn't work properly and demands an ambulance.
Can you start me a BLS unit, the male's complaining of respiratory difficulty? 1 Charlie 1, are you able to stop back here? Just until the ambulance clears up. They got you an ambulance, alright, bud? What kind of respiratory problems you having, bud? Well, that's not a respiratory problem.
It's too, because you got to store water. You tell them to give me some water.
You just stole from them. They are not going to give you anything for free.
It don't matter. You're an officer. You can give me water.
Yeah, when we get to,
your job.
I advised you when we got to the police station, I was going to give you water.
You can't wait. That's your job, man.
It is my job, and I'm giving you the proper medical care.
So if somebody died on the ride to the hospital, it's your fault.
You're not going to die.
You don't
In
know
my
that.
I
That's
guarantee
not
you,
your
you will
job.
not die.
No, you don't. I can't breathe.
Well, I told you I got you an ambulance because you're complaining of respiratory difficulty, not of dehydration. Dehydration is a totally separate issue.
Everything's included, man.
No, it's not.
It is too. You need water to breathe.
And I'm a medical professional, and I know that's not the case.
So if you're a medical professional, you can give me water, man.
I cannot.
Water right there. You can too.
No. Whenever you go back in, just thanks.
No, that's mine already. I had that.
They're not yours.
They say, yeah, I had that before I went to the store. That's my bag. I had that bag before I went to the store. Don't start charging me with stuff that I already had, man.
Then why are they still sealed?
It don't matter. And mine, I bought that already.
When?
You don't have me on camera stealing that,
Yes,
man.
they do.
No, you don't.
Well, we're gonna find out in a minute. Because he's pulling the video now, so.
Okay, that's not on the video. That's how what you did before. You trying to charge me with stuff that I already had, man.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I
I
am
just
not.
put nothing in that bag.
Seemed like you're doing just fine to me, Rob.
You're the one that first rolled up on him.
Yeah.
I love a chase.
Always. I knew it too. That's why I stopped my car in front of him.
Yeah.
Because I knew he was going, and I was like, God, I just couldn't get out fast enough.
It was actually really interesting seeing him run.
Well, the other guy, I don't know, some guy in
Some guy
Lowe's.
chasing down, yeah.
Some guy, well, he thought he shoved me.
So right now he's got the Fitbits.
If you find those two things, that phone and the Vista headphones,
Yeah.
call dispatch
Okay.
and just ask for me.
Okay.
Because I'm going to be
What's
inside
your name?
Benelli.
Benelli.
115. Because I'm going to be inside processing.
Okay.
So just call me.
The man was charged with 4th-degree resistance by flight, 3rd-degree possession of CDS, and criminal trespass. If you guys enjoy the video, drop your thoughts down below, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.